which is the pleasing. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Services and offers are available online for this hotel.